first course is Intro to Engineering Design, and Intro is dealing with fundamentals of engineering. So precision, accuracy, something that starts out very grand and be able to bring it down into parameters. Then we're using computer-aided design software, and with CAD software you're learning the fundamentals of the software, how it works, but then they get into the aspect of being able to design things that are curriculum-based as well as some free-form creative stuff. And then from that we do some 3D printing that takes place. And then we start looking into motion, and we start studying cams and lifters and end up building these automatas that kind of emulate what's happening when you build a system. And Principles of Engineering is a course where you're experiencing mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, structural engineering, just studying mechanical advantage, and then you ultimately end up building a compound machine. And then we go into understanding power and energy and looking at renewable as well as fossil fuels, and then we get into hydrogen cars and solar cars, fluid power, pneumatics, and hydraulics.
Basically, we just learn a little bit about an engineering topic, and then we get to go and test it out in the lab. I really like getting to build stuff in the lab. We built like a solar car one time, and it's just really fun to get the hands-on experience.
I'm going to college for mechanical engineering, and I thought I'd try to get my feet wet a little bit before I went there. We explored a little bit of anything related to engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical. It's a blast. The labs are awesome.
You know, kids that enjoy science, mathematics is huge in this as well, and then creativity and want to explore and learn. It's a hands-on course where students can explore and discover moments of inertia, elasticity of a board, those types of things that are taking place, and so you're able to see it and understand it. And so it's really kind of applying a lot of things that you learn in physics and you learn in mathematics, and then you can come here and apply and discover how an engineer is going to utilize these skills or this background or this information or the knowledge base that they've developed from core classes into now moving it into an industry or profession.
When I go into college, I plan on going into physics and then minoring in engineering, but I wanted to take this class to figure out what type of engineering I wanted to do. I've learned that I really like electrical engineering just through doing it hands-on and like getting to work with breadboards and wire cars and things like that. So this class has definitely helped me.
If you're looking to take this course, you totally don't have to be like an expert in math to take it. It's all about exploration. So if you're thinking maybe you want to be like an architect or civil engineer, it's totally worth checking it out.